What's up, guys? Me and Cole are gonna be making a rocket today for Father's Day, and we're gonna let our dad see it.
Yes.
My dad. And
oh, brother, this guy stinks!
2,000 years later.
These are the same kind he used to build when he was a kid.
Yeah, this one's big.
They're good. Show them the stump or woodpeckers then.
Are we attached?
Yeah, they're like little
this
kits.
one's a little bit.
And you kind of put it all together and
You want to say anything
Kel's.
for the launch?
They're making Kellan's first YouTube video here.
Yeah, it's our first YouTube video. Stick around to watch more.
Oh.
Yeah.
Anything about the rocket? You got a nickname for it or anything?
They went in outer space, came back.
Star Bomba.
Star
I'm sure they were.
Do a little side angle. Boom, boom. The wind? How's the wind?
Let the wind die.
Wind's
It's a little bit dead right now. But yeah.
How many motors does it have in it, Cole?
It's gonna go over there. One.
All right, video is started.
Right.
Do you want to say anything before you launch it?
Cool up. Right.
Father's Day.
Say when you're gonna hit it. Say when you hit it. Give a countdown.
Yeah, we're going to do a
Light's
countdown.
not turning on.
Lights not turned on.
Hold up, let me see. Let me see. Oh, there's no batteries in it. You gotta put batteries.
You gotta get a little angle so they can see. See, okay?
I think so.
Lights.
All right, Kellan's chasing it, but watch out for the road.
Kellan's chasing it. Yep. Kellan, you're chasing it too, okay? Both ways.
3, 2, 1, blast off.
Oh shoot!
Whoa!
Hey, bro! Hey, Kellan, don't catch it. Don't catch it.
Reloading, cover me! Just a second! Start the train! Start the engine!
Right now, because the top right here kind of broke when we did the last one. Give me a second. Broke on the last one. We're going to shorten it by taking off this tube. Okay, we're back inside. We're gonna pick minifig to put on there. We're gonna put, let's see. This squirrel right here. And this grenade. I think I might add one more thing. I'm gonna add one explosive. No, not an explosive. Let's add one more thing. Add a mini toy army soldier.
Burger.
Just a second. I'm in the middle of it.
Green.
Say it.
So we're gonna put this guy hanging on the outside, like in Mission Impossible, on the outside. Then we got the grenade right up in here. Then we got the squirrel in here.
Yeah, this one, the last one was called Amazon. This one's called Amma.
Anna?
Amma. Because it's
No, I thought it was Star. We
Star?
should call this one Star.
You're right,
Because,
Star.
How's that guy on there?
Yeah, and then
super glue.
just super glue.
Super glue.
This bad boy on here's surfing. He's gonna go crazy.
The squirrel in there might actually get cooked.
There's a squirrel.
I'm gonna step up back. I'm gonna step even further back so I can get it on video easier. Kellan. All right, Kellan, give us the countdown. Remember?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh
Yeah!
my!
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Did the soldier survive? Yeah, that thing's about to start a forest fire right there. So,
Why is the tissue paper in there?
it's supposed to be.
But why?
It keeps it from burning the parachute.
Let's see. Anything
Parachute.
else?
Parachute did deploy.
Kind of burning up my yard.
Oh my gosh. Soldier. This is a dramatic shot
Oh,
right
smoke it.
here.
Oh, that one's got in a
Is
flame.
he dead, Kellan? Check on him.
so
Check
that
on him.
one.
Check on him. Is he dead?
Let's see, bro.
Real quick.
Oh, yep, he's dead. It's not chicken anymore.
Tell my family I loved him.
Is the soldier
bad.
still alive or is he?
Soldier.
Squirrel's not in here.
The squirrel's not in there?
Squirrels.
What color was the squirrel?
Wait. Brown. Grenade's not in here.
Oh my. Soldier kind of survived. He survived for his funeral.
You got it wrong?
Yep.
Okay,
He's on the mattress, so he can take some damage.
let's, I'm gonna throw it because we're out of engines and stuff. So let's go. Yeah, that's not good.
Oh my. Oh my. Crash land like crazy.
Okay, one more throw that way. Come on, come on.
Dang, this guy just wants
Last
to
one,
kill
last
the
one.
guy.
We're gonna throw him that way and then one more time back here.
Okay, this guy's crazy.
That was pretty good.
All right, one more flight.
Stay right there.
Yeah, I'll stay right here. Might hit the camera. Is he still on? Oh my gosh. This guy might be something else. Da, da, da.